Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel Glenn, and I'm here joined with my good friend Vlad Katanescu, and we're here to talk to you about our upcoming workshop. Hello, Vlad.
Hey, Daniel, and it's great to be here to talk about like you said, our upcoming workshop at UDucon called Becoming an Expert Power User in Microsoft 365. So, Daniel, what are we going to talk about during this workshop?
That's a great question. This is a workshop for those that are wanting to increase their skills in Microsoft 365 in the areas of collaboration and as well as making. And we'll be talking about making solutions. So we'll be talking about how we can use Teams and manage Microsoft Teams in a better manner. We'll be talking about what is the modern way for us to use SharePoint, but then we'll also be talking about the making and using Power Automate and Microsoft List to make solutions for your users in your organization.
The way that I really love to say it is you're going to be not only able to use the products, but you're also going to be able to personalize them for other users in your organization and really uh, configure it to get the most out of every possible scenario. So we want you to become the champion inside of organization for Microsoft 365.
That's right.
Before joining the workshop, we recommend you have at least a basic knowledge of Microsoft 365. So I think when we say SharePoint, Microsoft List, Teams, that shouldn't be new to you. But we don't expect you to be a pro. Just know what they are, how to get to them, and we're going to take it from there and show you how to become the champion that customizes everything for the rest of your team.
That's right. And we would expect for you to take away from this full day workshop your experiences from what you've had before, being able to enhance those and take those on to your organization to really make those solutions for your users and to help enable them to really utilize all of the functionality within Microsoft 365.
We're really excited to give this workshop together. It'll be a lot of fun, and we hope to see you there.